I won't do this video before inside, but I decide to show it to you how you can do it outside, because it's summer and will be much easier with setup than inside. So let me show it to you what I bring with me for this small session. It's just a couple stuff. Basically it's plate, cutting board. I bought some strawberry, prunes, and because it's summer I bought some nectarines, and I have the knife with me, and really this is all the tools what I will use in this video. It was a little bit windy, but doesn't matter. Let me start with arranging this stuff for my needs. And of course I forget, here is my Sony camera. Now I have other lens, but I will switch the lens right now. I will start with 50mm lens. Okay, let me just switch it. Okay, here is my lens. Now I put him in the camera and it's ready. It's ready really for work, and I'm ready to go. Let me just clean this stuff what I really need, because I like to start from beginning and from clear table. This will be easier for you. My first photos will be from the prunes, and let me just arrange everything inside, and it's really ready for first shoot. Will be really very easy, and you will see the images very soon. I try do different angle and I will work around. Also I will try do the shot from above, and of course I will use different aperture, and I will try leave some space if somebody won't use this image and will need add some text, and he will need a copy space. Also, how I said, I will shoot it from different angle, and I hope so will work. Also you can take just few outside, and this will give you different composition. Just don't try putting too much away from each other. Now I can switch the lens, and we will see what will this bring new to my composition. This is enough, but how I said, you can do much more version of this fruit. I just want to show it to you very quick how easy it is to do. The next one will be the nectarines. Okay, put them on the plate, and same. I will start with 35mm right now, because I don't have to switch it. And same like before, I will try different angle and also different aperture, and I'm pretty sure something will work. After, I can go one from above. What is good, I have really too much sun. I just make this video just showing you how easy it is to do, and really the best time it's a little bit late evening or early morning. You can just try slice the one making to the half, and you can arrange how you need. Always try leave a little bit space for somebody who will use the images later, because this give him more place for his work, and you still can continue and you can do more slicing, and you will have other images for your portfolio. Don't forget about the vertical, and other images is really done and ready for sale. And I will let you know if it's sold or no. You will see this sooner or later on my channel. You can see right here I have the face on the top, and I try use a lens pretty wide open and try keep him away from the background. But as I said, I really try to different aperture all the time, and also you can put some prunes and you can make like images where is everything together. This is definitely good images, you know, for showing the summer. What is really bad if you're working outside, you don't have control over the lights. Always sometimes something is good, sometimes bad outside. It's much more easier and sometimes it's much more harder. And we have the last shoot right here. This will be few strawberries, because strawberries is always eye-catching product, because the red color is definitely pretty well, and I believe it's saleable. I hope so this help you. I will continue to other part of video. My second setup, it's remote work. I did this video shoot at the morning and near to the windows, because morning, how I said before, is really the best light, or late afternoon. I use for this work my laptop, some coffee mug, pen, and really very few things what everybody have at home. And right here you can see how looks the images, and really take me just 20-30 minutes maximum, maybe half hour, and I did by myself. What is really more complicated if you're shooting yourself, but it's possible. And I use only 50mm lens for that, mostly wide open, and I try give the buyer some space for his text or something else for some cropping. I hope so this can give you some idea for your next shoot. And my last shoot photo setup, it's about tabletop, and tabletop is still popular and saleable images. Just you have to use some prop what is really working together, and this is really very simple and anybody can do, because everybody have at home many props and anybody can use it. Really you need just tripod, camera and 50mm lens. Again, all these images is done inside next to the windows at morning time, and I hope so this give you other inspiration for other photo shoot. I will try do more video like that. I hope so you like it, because this can give you better idea what is possible to do simple, and maybe some I will show you some more complicated shoots, but I really prefer simplicity, because I know the simple images is always the best seller. After all this work, I everything upload to Photoshop to Lightroom, and I edit images, and I will try remove all visible watermark or brand name, because it's better for sale. And I do just a very light sharpening, and mostly I upgrade the levels and make image a little bit lighter or darker, depends what image needs. After I write some keywords and title, and it's ready really for upload to any agency, and I have to just wait until it's something sell, and I believe really many of these things will sell, believe or not. The simplicity, it's really always work. And how I said, it's you really no need to much equipment, and also you don't need really the very expensive equipment. Many of these things can be also be done by the phone, but with phone you really need better lighting. And after all everything, I upload just my keywording and title, and everything is ready for uploading to my agency. And really helpful is if you think like if you are a designer, how you can use the images, if will be helpful for you or no, or if you have any idea how you can use the images. This is definitely good thing this way, you know, from other sides, not like photographer, and better if you think sometimes like a designer. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you very soon on my channel, and I wish you good luck with selling your new images. Let me know what you think, and I will really appreciate any comment.